Hi, Toosters and 2 bits. We got a 74 Caprice Classic in the house today. Oh, 74. Y'all see it? Pretty clean, in good shape. Boy, this one in for minor repair work, man. So we just doing something back clean on this one. We ain't doing the seats and all. Now we're just gonna be installing the digital dash, covering the dashboard. A couple of small jobs, man, where you trying to slow roll it and bring it up to speed, slowly but surely. So this is what he got now. Like I said, we're only doing the front half. We're installing his Dakota digital and covering all of his dash at one time. So we'll put all of that stuff back in, and he's gonna bring it back and do the seats. Young guy, so we're working with him. We're covering all of those small pieces now. So like you say, you know, it's definitely gonna need our touch to it. It's not in horrible shape, but this ain't 2023 speed. So, but I'ma spare him on this one. I'ma spare him on this one since he been slow rolling and getting it together. But nice, super clean car, man. All of the trim is on. You know, I'm trying to talk him into some 26s at least. I'm trying to talk him into getting some 26s on this thing here, so he's saving his pennies. You see my boy Pancho done snatched everything out of here up front. So we finna see about go ahead and getting the gauges installed. So we got the Dakotas. Hold on. We end up going with the RTX style on this one, where it looks, man, identical to the factory in a sense, but it's still analog and digital as well. So a nice set of gauges. I want to say, man, these gauges here probably set you back about $1,500–1,600 bucks to get them. They come with all of the sensors, of course. Everything you need to make it happen. Speed sensor, Dakota box. It went with the retro tech, so we'll be getting these things installed, man. Usually labor on installation on gauges usually start around about 600 bucks, 600 to 700 bucks, man. Get them in, get them set, and go from there, depending on the vehicle as well. So we're gonna get all of the sensors laid out. We get everything laid out. It even came with some instructions. On exactly what you need to do, remove the lower gauge and the hardware. So we got all of that stuff out, of course. So they tell you exactly where the buzzer, the routes, what to cut, what to trim, the screws. Pretty simple. Like you said, man, after doing about 10 of these things, man, it's pretty much downhill from there. So we did get the all of this stuff here out of here. Next, he's going to be doing the vintage air. Vintage air, so he'll have heat and air. So he just said, go ahead and exclude this here. So we're going to exclude this here. It didn't work no way. Of course, it don't even look like it worked. We're going to take a lot of this old stuff off here. All of the old light bulbs and things of that nature that's definitely not needed anymore with this vehicle and the upgrades that he's making. So we're going to clean it up behind here and start getting this thing installed, man. And I'll show y'all the process in the end in a minute. All right, Tubesters, we back. We got everything installed and wrapped. As you can see, whole dash is stitched up. We did it back black with light blue stitching, kind of matches the car. Deleted the AC panel till he get vintage air, so we'll cut that hole out for his new AC control. The cluster is in. He have absolutely no miles on this sucker as of now. Gas hand is set. So everything is showing pretty good. We'll pull it out, set the speedo. Then we have to drive it like a mile. That should set the speedo. Other than that, man, got his radio back installed, put in some new chrome AC vents in there. So like I say, next, man, it'll definitely be the top button work. So like I say, next it'll definitely be the door panels. I think he's going to do next. We're just going to do them back OG clean. The seats back OG clean. Build him a little console. And man, you know they always look better going than coming, because this here definitely got to go. But y'all stay tuned for it, man, and I'll be back in a minute, maybe two. Sheesh.